through tomorrow morning, stopping back down at 7 o'clock. We're all in the clear. It should be a fairly mild start to the day as far as conditions.
That's right, you were snoring again. Welcome back to the land of the living.